Update orders for Sage 300 eliminates the time-consuming steps involved in changing order details for dozens or hundreds of quotes and orders in Sage 300 order entry. It lets you change multiple orders when the components of a bill of material or a kit have changed, the expected ship date of one or more items has changed, a price list has changed, one item needs to be substituted for another, a customer address changes affecting active or standing orders, or a large number of orders needs to be held or taken off hold. You simply choose a range of orders, select the update action, and then specify the change. Update orders updates the orders quickly and accurately in a single operation. Let's launch Update Orders. First, you select the range of orders to be changed. You can select orders based on a number of order fields and optional fields used with orders. But in this case, we'll leave the range blank to choose all orders. Next, you choose the action, what needs to be updated. For example, if an item is out of stock and you have to update the expected ship date on all orders, you would choose Update Item Expected Ship Date, choose Only Update Specified Items, choose the item A11050, specify the expected ship date, I'll move it to March 24th, and depending on whether you ship partial orders, update the order expected ship date too. When you click the Preview tab, all of the orders or quotes that match the criteria will be displayed. You can click an order number to display the full order details. You can use the Select All and Select None checkbox, and you can click the checkboxes for each line to cherry-pick orders. To finish, click the Process button, and the operation is complete. Address updates are also common procedures. You specify the customers that you're updating, choose which addresses you're updating, the new addresses are pulled from the customer record, and then click the Preview tab to see the selected order. Again, the operation is completed when you click the Process button. Update Orders is very flexible. To substitute items on orders, or to update kit or BOM numbers, you fill in the From and To items information on the item list form, choose the substitution options that you require. The program lets you restrict substitutions to unshipped orders and to keep the price of the original item. The program will request the ID and password of a change approver if price changes result from different kit or BOM numbers, and you do not have sufficient permissions to approve the change. Like most Tyrox products that perform potentially large changes, Update Orders keeps a daily log file, which you can see here. That completes a quick look at Update Orders, the Tyrox productivity tool for Sage 300 web screens. Please visit the Tyrox website for more detailed information about productivity tools for the Sage Windows desktop and for the Sage 300 web screens, and about other Tyrox products.